Hey parents, I'm back with another idea with my Play-Doh and my beads. We used to do this in class and some of the kids really liked it, especially for our younger learners who aren't quite ready to do patterning or matching it. They're just kind of identifying colors and sorting different things. So we would take the Play-Doh, it's also a really good fine motor skill, and we would put beads or any kind of small object. Legos would be another good one. Maybe sprinkles too if they were big enough, anything that you have at home. And we would put them in the Play-Doh like this, and we'd smash up the ball, okay? And if you want, you can let your friends, your kids watch right now, and I'm gonna pull out some color. So see, I'm pinching, friends, and I'm moving, and I found my first bead. What color did I find? What color? Purple, good. What else did I find in there? What color? Blue, good. And then I would just keep pulling the beads out until they were all gone. And at that point, you could put them back and they could do it again. Or you could put it on the table and you could have them count the beads. You could have them sort the beads by color. You could have them match. Or you could have them then create a pattern if you feel that your child is ready to do that, okay? All right, thanks. See you later.